Becoming a super affiliate, someone who earns substantial income through affiliate marketing, requires strategic planning, hard work, and persistence. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to achieve super affiliate status, explained simply yet comprehensively. 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basics. 1. Definition: promoting products or services for a company and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. 2. Participants: merchants, companies selling products, services; affiliates, marketers promoting these product services; consumers, people who buy the product services; networks, platforms that connect affiliates with merchants, optional. 2. Choosing your niche. Importance of niche selection. 1. A niche is a specific segment of the market you will focus on. 2. Choose a niche based on your interests, knowledge, and market demand. Steps to choose a niche. 1. Identify interests and passions. Select topics you are passionate about. 2. Research market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and forums to check if people are interested in your niche. 3. Analyze competition. High competition can be a sign of a profitable niche, but might require more effort to stand out. 3. Selecting affiliate programs. Types of affiliate programs. 1. Pay-per-sale (PPS). Earn a commission for each sale made. 2. Pay-per-click (PPC). Earn money for each click on your affiliate links. 3. Pay-per-lead (PPL). Earn for each lead, e.g. email sign-up. Where to find programs. 1. Affiliate networks. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. 2. Direct from companies. Many companies have their own affiliate programs, e.g. Bluehost, Shopify. 4. Building your platform. Choosing your platform. 1. Blog website, a central hub for your content and affiliate links. 2. YouTube channel. Video content can effectively promote affiliate products. 3. Social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. 4. Email marketing. Building an email list for direct promotion. Creating your website. On domain and hosting, purchase a domain and hosting plan. 2. Website builder. Content management system, CMS. Use WordPress for flexibility. 3. Design and layout. Keep it user-friendly and professional. 4. Content creation. Start with high-quality, informative content that addresses your audience's needs. 5. Generating traffic. Organic traffic. 1. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your content for search engines using keywords, meta tags, and backlinks. 2. Content marketing. Publish valuable and relevant content regularly. Paid traffic. 1. PPC advertising. Use platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. 2. Sponsored content. Collaborate with influencers and websites for sponsored posts. 6. Creating high-quality content. Content types. 1. Blog posts. Informative articles, reviews, and tutorials. 2. Videos, product reviews, how-tos, and testimonials. Social media posts. Engaging and shareable content. Content tips. 1. Be authentic. Honest reviews and recommendations build trust. 2. Add value, solve problems, and provide useful information. 3. Call to action, CTA. Encourage readers to click on your affiliate links. 7. Building an audience. Email marketing. 1. Build an email list. Offer freebies like ebooks or checklists in exchange for email signups. 2. Regular newsletters. Send valuable content and promotions to your subscribers. Social media engagement. On active participation, engage with your audience through comments, likes, and shares. 2. Run contests and giveaways. Increase engagement and attract followers. 8. Analyzing and optimizing performance. Track performance. 1. Analytics tools. Use Google Analytics and affiliate program dashboards to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. 2. A/B testing. Experiment with different headlines, images, and CTAs to see what works best. Optimize strategies. 1. Content optimization. Update and improve underperforming content. 2. Traffic sources. Focus more on channels that drive high-quality traffic. 9. Scaling your business. Expand your reach. 1. Diversify platforms. Start a YouTube channel or a podcast. 2. Explore new niches. Find related niches and create content for them. Automate processes. 1. Use tools. Automate email marketing, social media posting, and other repetitive tasks. 2. Outsource, hire freelancers for content creation, design, and other tasks. 10. Staying compliant and ethical. Follow guidelines. 1. Disclosure. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. 2. Honesty. Promote products you believe in and have tried. Legal compliance. 1. GDPR and CAN-SPAM. Ensure your email marketing complies with regulations. Conclusion. Becoming a super affiliate is a journey that requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptation. By following these steps and consistently delivering value to your audience, you can achieve substantial success in affiliate marketing. Start small, focus on building trust, and gradually expand your efforts to become a super affiliate.